Now this is what is happening in China. Terrified subway passengers in central China were left hanging to ceiling handles inside flooded cars on Tuesday, trapped up to their necks in rising water as a record-breaking rain devastated parts of Henan province. At least 12 people have been confirmed dead in Zhengzhou, the provincial capital, where more than 20 centimeters of rain fell in just 1 hour on Tuesday. According to China's Meteorological Observatory, all the bodies recovered were taken from the city's subway system, said the provincial authorities. Now more than 100 people have been evacuated from Zhengzhou, a city of 12.6 million people on the banks of the Yellow River, with thousands of emergency personnel deployed to assist in the effort. The Chinese President Xi Jinping addressed the flooding on Wednesday, describing the situation as very severe and ordering authorities to prioritize the safety of people's lives and property. Though flooding during the summer months is an annual occurrence in parts of China, recent record-breaking rains have alarmed scientists and officials, raising questions as to whether the country is prepared to deal with more extreme and unpredictable weather amplified by climate change. Pray for China.